this video, we're gonna talk about factoring by grouping. Let's say I have 2x squared plus 6x plus 3x plus 9. Now, kung bakit natin kailangan gamitin dito si factoring by grouping and not common factoring is that because ang common factor lang neto ay 1. No, wala siyang other factors for this problem un- unless 1. So definitely we cannot use common factoring unless we can use factoring by grouping. So what do? We have the first step. The first step is to group your terms. No? I-divide natin tong terms na to into groups. Okay? Usually, dapat dito ay even yung terms mo. So, 4, 6, ganyan. Kasi, if we take a look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 4 terms on this problem. So, we can divide them evenly, no? So, ito yung first term natin, ito yung second term. Ngayon, kung magiging 5 term to, okay, example, may isa pa dito, then we cannot divide them equally. So, so it matters pagdating sa factoring by grouping. Okay, so what do? So we group them into groups. So this is our first group and this is our second group. Okay, now the second thing in factoring by grouping is to factor each group. Okay, so we do that. So we factor each group. Let's start the first group. So we have 2x squared. Okay, so hindi na siya magiging 2x squared, right? Kasi ano ba magiging factor nito? Both of them has x. So definitely kasama siya sa factor. Okay? Kapag ka ganyan, ganito lang mag-factor, no? Example, let's start with the coefficients. 2 and 6, common factor niyan ay 2, right? Yun na yung biggest common factor nila. What do I mean is that kung saan sila magiging divisible evenly, no? At a larger scale. So, in our case, that's definitely 2. So, isasama natin siya sa factors. And then, both of them has x. So, definitely kasama din yan sa factor. And kung anong factor nyon, let's follow yung lowest possible x value, which is yung x lang. No? So, we have x. Then, we put quantity. Then, ang second thing is that, ano pa yung mga natitira? So, we have x, no? And then, plus, copy the sign, since positive ang gusto natin mangyari. Common factor ni 6 ay 3. Kung bakit naging ganyan is that when we do 2x times x, that is 2x squared. And if we do 2x times positive 3, that is positive 6x. Okay? So let's turn the second group, no? For the second group, we copy the sign again since positive ang gagawin natin. And then, ang second step is that to factor, no? Ano ang factor ni 3 at 9? That is 3, right? Yun yung pinakamalaki na divisible sila sa isa't isa. And then, si 3 natin ay may x, pero si 9 natin wala. So, hindi natin siya masasama dito, no? Sa factors natin. So, we definitely put quantity, no? Kaya tayo nagko-quantity is that dito natin i-distribute sa loob nito itong mga nasa labas, no? So, si outer ay i-distribute natin dito nasa loob, no? Kaya ganun yung nangyayari. So, we have x. So, we have 3x na, right? 3 times x, 3x. Then, copy the sign since gusto natin positive. Then, factor ni 9, that is 3. So, ito na yung factored form. Now, what we can observe, as we can observe on this term is that separated by positive sign, may common binomial factor tayo na x plus 3. Okay? And what we can do is that to factor this out. No? So, anong mangyayari? So, ang mangyayari niyan, ito yung magiging general factor natin, no? Ito yung nasa labas. Kumbaga, si 2x, ito yon. So, we have x plus 3. Now, ano pa ang pwede natin gawin? Again, just like on common factoring, we copy the problem. So, we copy it as a group pa rin, no? Since, again, dito nga sa problem na to, they are both divisible by x plus 3. So, we copy this, no? So, we will have 2x, quantity x plus 3. Okay, then plus, 3 quantity x plus 3 over, again, divisible sila by x plus 3 kasi kakapin natin tong common factor nilang lahat. Okay? And what will happen is that makakancel tong x plus 3, right? Now, and what will happen is that inside ng parenthesis, ang matitira na lang sa atin ay si quantity x plus 3, which is this term, no? And si quantity 2x plus 3. And this is our factored form. Now, there are 3 methods, no? So, we done with the first and second method. So, nasan yung third method? Ang third method ay andito, no? So, anong nangyari? Is that, di ba we have this binomial? So, we common factor this binomial para mangyari to. Okay? So, ang ating last method is that factor out, factor out the common polynomial. Okay? So, that's it. Let's try another problems. So, let's try 105 AB minus 90A minus 216 plus 18. No? So, anong pwede natin gawin dito? So, as we may observe sa problem natin na to, may common factor sila, no? And then, ang common factor nila will be what? 3, right? So, may common factor tayo na 3. So, pagka pinactor natin to by 3, is that we will have 35AB minus 30A minus, oops, sorry, this one is B. 21B, sorry, 7, oops, 7B rather, plus what? 6. Okay? Ngayon, is this already the factored form? Not yet. Because, pwede pa natin ito ma-factor. Okay? By using factoring by grouping. So, we can group this 4 terms into groups. So, we will have this 2 separate groups. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 3 quantity. Anong factor ng 35AB minus 30A? So, let's find the factor muna ng 35 at 30. That is 5. Okay? And then both terms have A, no? So, we can factor that out. So, A. But not both terms have B. Okay? So, bawal natin siya isulat. So, we will have, so para hindi kayo malito pagdating sa parentheses, techniques is that we used brackets, no? Para dito sa loob ay parentheses. So, we have 7B as 35. Then, both of them, so minus tayo dito. Minus, factor ni 30 ay 6. Okay? So, tapos na tayo sa first group. How about the second group? So, we copy the sign, negative. Factor ni 7 at 6, that is 1. Okay? Quantity, 7B plus 6. Okay? So, we factor separate groups. Okay? Now, what we can observe is that they both have common factor na binomial, which is 7B. Oops, sorry. Wait. This one should be negative, right? Since, again, we want a positive sign. Okay? Kasi ikakopy natin tong negative as a factor of negative 1. And then, gusto natin maging positive, which is negative times negative. That is positive. So, this one is negative. So, we have similar binomial or terms as a factor. So, what we can do is that to write, no, yung final form natin. We again copy the 3 kasi part na yan ng factors. And copy the binomial. So, we have 7B minus 6, no? And then, we copy ito pang nasa outer since factor din natin to. So, quantity 5A minus 1. So, this is our final form. Kung bakit nasama si 5A is that because kapag na-factor natin si 7B, we know na magka-cancel na tayo kay 7B. Ngayon, ano pa natitira sa atin? We have 5A and negative 1. Kaya, kasama siya sa factors din natin. Okay?